The Canadian government helps farmers and farm businesses across Canada produce the best possible food and agriculture products. Did you know there currently is a poultry funding program being offered to Canadian poultry producers? This program is called the Poultry and Egg On-Farm Investment Program. It applies to all provinces and territories. This is what the funding covers. All poultry/egg on-farm investments that improve biosecurity, food safety, efficiency, sustainability, or animal welfare. Just fill out the grant application. We can assist you with this. Once approved. Here is the best part. The funding provides up to 70% of eligible costs, and up to 85% for producers. Now that is a funding program that is really worth looking into. Kirkmayer is the leader in electrolyzed water technology. Our Kirkmayer ECA system generators would qualify for this Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada funding assistance. Please reach out to us and let us show you how you will only pay 30% of a new Kirkmayer on-site system generator. Here are just a few of our many Kirkmayer poultry clients who are using our Kirkmayer ECA system generators throughout their farm, from water treatment to full-scale biosecurity. When it comes to poultry, electrolyzed water is the game-changing technology. Proven effective against the deadly avian bird flu, while providing poultry producers sustainable non-antibiotic disinfection. If you are wanting to increase your biosecurity, then our Kirkmayer on-site and on-demand ECA system generator is a must-have. Complete the initial inquiry funding form we have provided, and we will get started in the first step of your approval process.
Thank you for taking the time to view our video. If you would like more information about our technology, please visit our website at kirkmeyercanada.com. Perhaps you may know someone that our technology may be of interest. We would appreciate if you would share your findings. Again, thank you from Kirkmayer Canada.